Alright, Title 26, Public Utilities, Delaware Administrative Codes, Public Service Commission, 8001, Rules Establishment, Interstate Gas Pipeline Safety Compliance Program, opened October 7, 2008, definition, unless otherwise behind here, all capitalized terms and phases shall have the meanings given those terms with a phrase for the applicable to Chapter 601, Title 49, United States Code, and Code of Regulations, Title 49, Part 190, 191, 192, 193, 198, 199, as may be amended with the Revised Act, collectively federal regulations. Commission meeting for the Delaware Public Service Commission, corrective action orders, refer to those orders and you receive reference in Title 49 U.S. Standard Code 601112D. Federal regulations shall have the meaning described above. Gas leak survey means a survey of gas facilities defined in Section 192.706, 192.723. Federal regulations. Leak classification action criteria means procedure with which a leak indication of the gas can be graded with the control of the operator, means for the underground pipeline facility operator defined in Title 26 Delaware C 802.11. Nothing extends operator shall not include with the operator pipeline facility with the transport has the liquid only petroleum gas air mixtures of one fewer than 10 customers in no portion of the facility is located with a public place. 2, single customer if the facility is locally entirely with the customer's private matter and portion of the facility is located in the public place. Regulated facilities include both pipeline facilities within liquid and natural gas facilities. Regulations shall refer to the regulations set forth herein. Staff shall meet with the staff of the Commission. 2, regulations, minimum standards governing designs, construction, fabrication, installation, inspection, reporting, testing, operation, maintenance, protection, and safety aspect of the operation, maintenance for regulated facilities as those stand with set forth in 191, 192, and 193 of the federal regulations applicable. 2.2, the minimum standards given with the drug alcohol testing required for the operators regulated of the facility shall be those stand within set forth in Part 199 of federal regulations. 2.3, the conversion of liquid and natural gas with the gaseous state so seeking injection with the pipeline facility shall be done with the matter, but it does not reduce the level of the ordination with system to below required 192 federal regulations. 2.4, for the all the operator conduct the gas leak survey in accordance with which such intervals are approved of the federal regulations. 2.5, each operator conduct the gas leak survey shall have the minimum of 7 years maintaining the record leak is detected during the surveys. Such records should be available for inspection by staff subject to the provisions of 26 Delaware Code 213. Extent is applicable to each operation shall define the leak classification action criteria applicable to the public pipeline facilities operated in Delaware, which classification criteria consistent with the federal regulations each operator shall institute maintain with a continuing basis over the identify any leaks discovered in the pipeline facility. It operates which records shall include a minimum of the location, date, discovery, the classification under the operator's leak classification action criteria set forth, steps taken in response to such leaks. 2.7, the cast iron pipes in sizes of 4-inch smaller has not been installed with the pipeline facility beginning in 30 days after the approval of these regulations. The requirement shall not be construed with the required replacement of any such pipe included installed prior to such time. 2.8, notwithstanding anything contained in these regulations, to contrary with the Commission shall have no authority to enforce the regulation pertaining to the interstate pipeline facilities. 3, delegation of authority. With respect to the enforcement of these regulations, Commission staff shall have the authority to investigate the methods to the practice of the operator to require the operator to maintain, file reports, records of the information to enter upon with the inspect property, buildings, plants, and offices of the operators to inspect books, records, paper, documents, operators to enforce these regulations provided herein. 4, informal disposition, actual and potential violation. When the evaluation of the operator's records of the required for regulated facilities indicate whether the operator is or may be violating these regulations, staff shall provide operator with a prompt notice potential violation, which should point the staff with informally discover the potential violation with the operator. Any documentation, physical evidence necessary to support the allegation of non-compliance may be obtained during the inspection. Timely corrective action may be taken when the operator of the facility where potential violation exists. This is correcting the potential violation without further action. 5, written formal notice of potential violation. After evidence of potential violations, collective violation, written report, notice, and opportunity to respond with authority for the operator. By letter is the staff providing the operator with the copies of all relevant documentation, including written violation reports, notifying the operator with the result of the on-site evaluation. Specifically cites provisions applicable to the regulations if the operator is alleged by to be violating. The operator must respond to written 30 days for the receipt of such violation notice unless the operator and staff otherwise agree. 6.0, response opens to the operator. 6.1, operator respond with the violation notice may. 6.11, 6, submit written written plan to staff specifying action operator will take the correct violation schedule completion of each of the action step, final date of completion. If the staff except for the corrective action plan submitted with the operative, the violation shall be deemed resolved. 612. The request for the informal conference, the staff upon the request for the informal conference, staff will establish date, time, location for the conference. During the conference, the staff will review the violation report for the operator, identify with the corrective actions, and in an effort to reach mutually acceptable resolution of alleged violation. Efforts fail, staff may refer to alleged violation to the Commission for formal action. 7. Commission action. If the violation referred to the Commission formal resolution, Commission may pursuant procedures, establish rules, regulations, taken action under the applicable laws included but not limited to the following. Commission may seek injunctive relief of the court with the competent jurisdiction. 712. Commission agent administrator set forth federal regulations may issue for the civil penalty set forth in Title 49 U.S. Standard Code 60122A and Subpart B, Part 190 of the federal regulations. And 713. The Commission may order the operator to take corrective action. Alright, 8.0 corrective action. 8.1. If the Commission have finds regulated facility hazardous facility to like or property for the Commission may issue the corrective action order required for the operator to take immediate corrective action, which may include 1. Suspended restricted use of hazard facility, physical inspection, testing, repair, replacement, other reparation action. 8.2. The Commission shall give the operator written notice opportunity hearing before the issuing of the corrective action unless the Commission staff determines the severity of the imminent threat of life, property, and environment, in which case the Commission is to designate hearing examiners may issue the emergency corrective action order. The corrective action order is issued without prior hearing. The Commission shall give the operator written notice and opportunity for the hearing before the Commission's designated hearing examiner as soon as possible after the issuance of the corrective action order. 9.10. Exemption of the operator may take the exemptive decision hearing examination with the delivery of the Delaware law with the rules of practice of the Commission with except for the receipt with the exemptions. The Commissioner or the staff may investigate for the whole public hearing on the matter with a reasonable time. 10. The grant of the federal regulations waivers. Upon an application for the operator, Commission may grant the waiver of compliance with the federal regulations subject to review of the Office of Pipeline Safety Regulation, United States Department of Transportation. 10.2. Waivers may be granted in particular circumstances for the purpose for the operator to follow with the regulation general applicability. 10.3. Before granting waiver, the Commission may notify the operator in comments and public hearing. Thus, the Commission find with no notice or impractical, unnecessary, not within public interest, or that emergency exists. 10.2. If the Commission find with the required waiver that consists of the gas pipeline safety otherwise justified with the waiver may be issued for the operator appropriate term of the condition with the statements for the reason for the granting of the waiver. Alright. 10.5. The Commission finds requested waiver inconsistent with the gas pipeline safety. Otherwise, for the unjustified request must be denied. Application notified with the reason for the denial. 10.6. Commission must give the Office of Pipeline Safety Regulation, United States Department of Transportation, written notice to each waiver at least 60 days before it becomes effective. With each of the notice of waiver must provide the following information: 1. The name and address of the telephone number of the applicant. 2. The safety standards involved. 3. The description of regulated facilities involved. And 4. The justification whether waiver included for the reason stated is not appropriate and the waiver is consistent with the gas pipeline safety. And that's 13D, Delaware Regulation 416, September 1st, 2009. And that's Title 26, Public Utilities, Delaware Administrative Code, Public Service Commission, 8001 Rules Establishing Interstate Gas Pipeline Safety Compliance Program.